Do you know that this background is fake? Even this one, or even this one, or even this one, they are all fake. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to change your video background on CapCut. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So the first step you need to take is to go to your CapCut app like this. So right here on your CapCut app, you need to go ahead and click on New Project. Click on New Project like this and import the video that you have recorded. So while recording the video, you need to make sure that you recorded it in a good lighting area. You need to, if possible, you can just go ahead and open your window while recording it, so as to make sure that your shadow is not showing at the background of the video. That is actually going to help you to get the best out of it. So once you're done recording the video, you need to import it right here on your CapCut like this. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and tap on the clip like this. Once you do that, at the bottom of the screen, you need to scroll and look for where you can see background. You can see the option of remove background here, which is remove BG. So go ahead and click on that and click on auto remover. So once this is done, you have been able to remove the background. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and tap on the clip once more, then go ahead and click on duplicate. You can see the duplicate option at the bottom of the screen. So you need to go ahead and click on duplicate and duplicate the clip like this. Then click on the second clip that you have actually duplicated, scroll at the bottom and add it as your overlay. You can see the overlay option right here. So go ahead and click on overlay like this and drag it to the very beginning of the video to match the first one, just like this. So once that is done, you need to go to the end of the video and remove this end right here. Go ahead and delete it. So the next step you need to take here, right here is the video. The next step you need to take here is to go ahead and add your background. So you can go ahead and add your background. You can see background at the bottom of the screen right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on background. So now for the background, you can actually get inspirational background from your Pinterest. You can go to your Pinterest like this. Let me simply show you that. So you can simply go to your Pinterest like this. Go ahead and open your Pinterest. Right on your Pinterest, you can go ahead and search for studio background. Just go ahead and search for studio backgrounds like this and you're going to see a lot of backgrounds. And this is actually going to inspire you on how you can actually create yours. I'm not saying you should use the image you see here on your Pinterest. Now if you must use the image you see here, you need to make sure that you pick the one that is royalty free, so that you don't end up running into copyright trouble. So you can actually use the image here to get inspiration and then create your own image, generate your own image using pixels or Unsplash, or you can actually use Pixabay to create your own. So once you're done getting the image for your background, the next step you need to take here is to go to your CapCut app again. So right here in the CapCut app, you need to scroll at the bottom like this and click on background. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on image and click on the gallery icon right here. Then go ahead and select the image that you have actually generated. Go ahead and select it like this. Once that is done, go ahead and click on apply all if you want to apply the background image to all the video clip. Then go ahead and click on OK. So we have actually changed the background, but there's something you still need to do. You need to go ahead and scroll at the bottom here and click on overlay, and you're going to see your overlay. You can now tap on your overlay. So tap on your overlay like this and click on splice. You can see that at the bottom of your screen, which is close to animations. Go ahead and click on it like this. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on add. Once you do that, you're going to see that the image is actually going to balance well with the background and make it more real. So you can see that. So once this is done, you have been able to change your background on your video using CapCut. So this is how simple it is to change your video background using CapCut like a pro. Now for more editing tutorials like this, hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. Share this video with your friends as well. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.